Umoy punano fitot atuk ayan ng chi fatuyo. Analan anu chi tatakwe. Finit nagfatuyang weyang achi maweyang ngaweyang. Sakachan anu namachi at ayan fitot nagtakay anuyo. Na pernuchi chuway anao. Ayan chanuk mamasom chanutan natakon chichuay anao at chan asaan as fitot itang oy na punanuyo tumayap nilugtan han at chagson chi asaan nilugsanan anu fitot no chaghan chi chumang yung achipun anu as fitot makaratan at charoan yung achipun anu chita ko chachita taku makaratan at charoan ya awad anu as mugyat chan kabong yung manayag chan mo umoy anu fusisi tan asiyan kachaklan na subango umoy anu fusisi isu ponchi chanumo nasitan nandotaw chi asaan ang chan chi asaan hachin storyan ang tan. That's the end of this story.
Thank you very much, Luplupa Elementary students. So that's the story of the Luplupa villagers and the river creatures in their native dialect, Itongrayan dialect. How many of you understand the story? Raise your hand.
I know the story.
Yes, Duma, you know the story because you're the one. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3.
Half only.
Yes, they are half Kalinga, so they understand. They understood. Who else? So if you want to know the story, but before that, like just listening to them tell story that came from their place, it's like you're already there in Luplupa village. So in order for you to understand the story, like you can see the paintings later, like from up to down and then left to right. So you can see the sequences of the story. You can also check the book here. It's written in English. And if you want to understand the story also, we have to learn their language, right?
Yeah.
Let's be fair, because like we learn Filipino, Tagalog. We learn Filipino, Tagalog, and English just to learn the books that's written in these languages. Like, of course, to be fair, like we have to learn their language also so that we will understand their stories. Yeah. Agree? All right. For the next part, may we call also the teachers to share to us their experience making this book. And at the same time, they're going to share also their situation when it comes to publishing their book in school. So let's call Ma'am Rachel and Ma'am Lolita.